Set flaps 20.
Wow, we're back.
Landmark 1123 Heavy. Reduce speed to 210 knots.
Ready to
Back
fly.
to 210 for
I'm actually in the,
1123 Heavy. Slow
on the
210
ground.
knots. Use the...
That's weird. Let's go back and try to launch that one again. Maybe do a Maverick. Training. Oh, yeah. Dark Star Flight. Canyons, Ridge Mountain, Washington. Advanced. Training. Yeah, let's go back to activities. Try one more. And let's do an FSX one. Caribbean landing, maybe? Oh, no, I did that one. Yeah, let's try this one again. But I'll try to launch it quicker. Hopefully it...
Hello, Captain. You are approximately 20 miles northwest of Chunky Airport. Cleared for the ILS runway 2 center approach. Frequency 108.30. OBS 023. Descend and intercept the ILS.
Oh. Yes.
Well, this should be interesting. It's monsoon season here in Singapore, and we're descending into the thick of it. I think we're about to get a real show. Landmark 1123 Heavy. Descend and maintain 10,000. Down to 10,000 landmark. 1123 Heavy. Okay, we're cleared down.
Oh, I got the AI pilot on. Yeah, who would have thought? And
Landmark 1123 Heavy. Turn right 15 degrees for spacing. Right 15 degrees. Landmark 1123 Heavy. Alright, fly heading 205. Landmark 1123 Heavy.
might be
Reduce speed
recovered.
to 210 knots.
what? Overstressed. Wow. That was pretty cool though. Well, that's a test. I just wanted to check this out. And